educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness.
Say hi. Hi. Hey, stop kicking my stuff. Oh, you want the keyboard? Let's go take a bath. No. That's heavy. What's that? Hey, let's go. Hi.